in the front door, and this is what you see. This would be the living room. Got a fireplace, lots of windows. There's lots of smoke and fire damage, but we're gonna fix that all, and it's gonna be beautiful again. The living room's quite large. The ceiling's from when the firemen punched up in the ceiling, make sure there was no fire in the ceiling. And this right here, I used Kaboom bathroom cleaner on this, and look how clean it'll come.
It's September, I don't know, 25th or 6th. And with winter coming on here, we don't want to lose the house heat up through the attic. So after, you know, talking about it for 10 or 15 minutes, what we've decided to do, because we're not sure what our budget's going to be when we finally get to this living room, which will be basically the last thing we do, is to go ahead and OSB the roof. We're going to take down these pieces here and pretty much just OSB this entire half of the living room roof. And that will allow us to go back with a wood planking for the ceiling, at least on that half, which, you know, kind of is broken. You know, that part of the room is broken up by this big closet that's here anyway. So, you know, at this point, it's not a big deal. Once that's done, as far as the winter, you know, we're just going to get our OSB up there so that we don't lose any of our heat. But when we finally get around to it, again, planking here, and then we will decide what we're going to do with the rest of this.
What we are using here is a 3,000 pound support that I used used under my 4-post automotive lift for support at certain, on certain things. And of course it's kind of overkill for this, but it does work.
Yeah. It's the only way we can do it. We tried it the other way. And it was
We tried doing it by hand and it
didn't work. It was quite comical afterwards, not during. We thought we were going to be crushed underneath this board. I think I have to do it one more step.
Well, go ahead. Well, what are you waiting for?
No, I can't. Well, I can't.
What do you mean you can't?
I can't hang on to the board at the same time. You got it?
Yes, I'm holding it with one finger.
Stop it.
Got it?
I got it.
With winter approaching, we've got to, and it's actually pretty cool today, we have to open up a box that's got coveralls, coats, all of our stay warm stuff. So we thought the best place to do this initially would be this closet that is fairly large and is just as you come through the main entry door, and also easily accessible from the dining room and the rest of the house. So we're going to tackle this project today. Well, Mama's going to tackle most of it, but there's attic access in here and that has to be taken care of. In order to paint in here, the shelving needs removed, and of course I will be doing all that. And I'm probably going to install some sort of light in here. There are so many things that need done before winter hits. This just happens to be one of them, so we'll see how that goes.
All right, here is the finished entry closet with the shelves and the rod to hang up stuff. There's 2 shelves here, a really cool LED light up there. And of course there's a shelf way up there. Waiting for hooks to come in on this lower wood. And here's the other shelves on the other side.